So I've had two concussions in my lifetime. The second of which came when I was 19 during gymnastics practice. Pretty much, I just fell wrong and hit my head on one of the bars. So after that, I continued practicing because I thought I was okay. And then one of my teammates kind of noticed that I was pretty like airheaded and not paying attention to much. So immediately after that, he called the trainer over, and the trainer started testing to see if I had a concussion, and it turned out I did. So for the next couple of days, I wasn't allowed to do much, and all I was doing was physical therapy.